Hi everyone, welcome to the manufacturing facility of Advait. At Advait, every expansion is planned with a long-term vision and the assets are chosen for the value that they deliver, which is exactly why we chose Gangad for our upcoming manufacturing facility. Gangad is strategically located with a close proximity to the Ahmedabad Dholera corridor and an excellent connectivity to Ahmedabad, will help us strengthen our manufacturing capabilities and support faster and efficient execution, which also aligns with our Make in India vision to build domestic capabilities to support products that helps India's energy infrastructure needs. This manufacturing facility will house the manufacturing lines of the power transmission solutions and the new and renewable energy businesses. In addition to augmenting the current manufacturing strength, we are also developing the capabilities to develop and deliver electrolysers, BESS and advanced fuel cell technology. This whole facility is expected and planned to be operational by Q4 of FY 26-27. So the real capacity of Gangad is in its ability to support scalability, development of new products and support faster execution readiness. For Advait, Gangad is not just a single line facility but a long-term manufacturing platform. Thank you.